Alright, so next command is change external control. Now if you know, an external control is how you are going to start and stop your drive. Okay, that even you can change without changing parameter by assigning a function to one of the terminals. It's again assigning the functions. So you may find this, in this blog you'll find this control source external terminal, control source keypad, control source communication. So let's take an example, control source keypad. So let's enter this in M3 again, parameter number 40. Let's enter control source keypad 23. So in parameter 40 I have entered 23 already. So what will happen with this? Let's go back to frequency 6.3, control source keypad. So this is the program. Now right now this is off, control source keypad is off, so I can start and stop the drive from M30 because my default source of control is external. I can set off, I can set on, and I can set off, but if I try to turn on from here, it will not be done. This can be happen if you turn this on, which will set the control to keypad. Now drive can be start from the keypad, stop from the keypad. I cannot start the drive from here. Okay, I can only start and stop from here because the control has been set to this mode. Okay, now when I go back to my main control, I'll set this off. Now I can start and stop the drive from here. Pretty easy. Change the control back to keyboard. Now it starts from here. So here how you can shift the control to drive to external, from drive to external by simple control source. You can also control it to communication by Modbus, external terminals. If your default is keypad, you can go to external terminals. So that was about changing the control of your drive to external and to keypad. 23 is for keypad, 22 for external. Thank you.